guys, this is Kelsey from Frankly Natural Beauty. I'm here with my mom Kathy.
Hi.
And today we're going to be making an oatmeal milk and honey soap.
Yes, we are. And it's going to be made with fresh goat's milk and ground up oatmeal. And we're going to add a little manuka honey that's really good for your skin. Okay, so let's go make this soap. But before we do, I want to thank everybody that's subscribing to our channel. And please, if you like what you see, subscribe and hit the bell. And you're going to be notified all the time, when we make new videos. Okay, so let's go and do it.
Let's get soaping!
Okay, today I'm making a really nice soap with goat milk again, but it's a different process I'm going to use. I'm not going to have the milk frozen. I actually have the milk in my little container. Here is a cup of milk right here. And I'm going to be using this in a little bit. And this soap is going to be made with oatmeal, milk, and honey. Alright, so what I have here, the oils today is avocado oil, castor oil, coconut oil, and olive oil, and shea butter, the yellow shea butter with the turmeric inside. I know it's kind of weird, but that's what they do in Africa. They do put turmeric in there. It's not a lot of turmeric, it's a little hint, but it's a very powerful spice because it's very, very yellow. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I am going to put a couple of tablespoons of colloidal oatmeal in my oils right now, just like that. And I'm going to blend them with the oils. Again, I'll see you in a second. Okay, here I have some manuka honey that I'm going to put in here, and I'm going to blend it in my oils. I love this stuff. This is amazing stuff. It's good to eat, good for your skin, good for everything. Okay, so I'm going to put it in here, and I am going to blend it with my oils. And I see you guys in a second. Okay, now that I have my honey incorporated with the oils, I am going to put my milk in there. And you can put the milk before or after. I mean, I like doing it now. I like it that. And I'm going to blend it with my oils. And I'll be back, and we're going to put the lye solution in it. Alright, so now is the moment to put the lye water solution with my oils and everything else. Look how beautiful this is. It looks fantastic. I really like the way this is looking, and we're just at the beginning. Alright, I'm going to blend this in a little bit until I reach like very emulsification or light trace, and we'll be back. Okay, so I'm going to do a dropped swirl today, so I'm going to put a little bit of this batter in here, and I'm going to color it, kind of like a caramelly kind of color there, kind of like a honey caramel over here. And then this one over here is going to be kind of a creamy color, I hope. I hope it's going to be a creamy color, because there's a lot of yellow stuff in there. And I don't want to put a lot of titanium dioxide in there. But, you have to use it for that. So we're going to try to lighten this one up a little bit. Here I have yellow oxide from Brambleberry, and actually Almost everything is from Brambleberry. We have the colorants here. Actually, the titanium dioxide is from a crafter's choice, so it's not from them. But almost everything else is. The oil, the fragrance oil is from them. Right, Kelsey?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so we're gonna mix this out too. And you know what? I almost forgot to do that here too. Oh, man, I'm forgetful today. Okay, so let's go and pour this beautiful soap in here. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to stop over here, and I'm going to use my other one here. I'm going to do the drop swirl. Here, I'm going to mix it a little bit. Just a little bit. And I'm going to do hop high here. Like that, and like that, and like that. And then we're going to do this again. I'm going to tap it a little bit. So we're going to stop the camera because I don't want it's going to shake. A little tiny bit of the sun here, but it's not going to be very important because I'm going to do something else, and you guys going to see what I'm going to do. But this is okay because actually this is going to be covered, and you're going to say, why did you do that? Not just because I wanted to, because I like and stuff like that. Okay, we're going to let it rest for just a few minutes, and we'll come back and we'll finish the design. Alright, so now I'm going to finish my design. What I'm going to do, I'm going to put some forky things here, some lines with this fork. Just little lines over here. Like I told you, I didn't need to do that, but I wanted to. Okay, so we're going to do that. And then, I'm going to put this bubble wrap on top here. Hope it works. Just to make the honeycomb design. And you soapers already know that because you do that too. So now you can buy some silicone mats too. They're really cool. They look just like honeycombs. But I didn't have time to order those, so I didn't do it. I'm going to put these like this. Better here. And the last touch, I have some oatmeal over here. The, just regular oatmeal. And I'm just going to put it on the side here. And sprinkle on it. Not too much. Okay, I'm not going to put anything else on the soap. I'm just going to spritz it with a little bit of alcohol on this side. And we're going to let it be. Actually, I think I'm going to put it in my fridge. Because there is milk in there and honey. And these guys, when they put it together, they kind of get really hot. And they're going to make it, this is going to gel. It's going to get really dark. And I really don't want to. I made some samples on the side over here. And we'll see what happens if they gel or not. I'm just curious because the weather is kind of warm too right now. So let's find out, and we're going to come back and we're gonna cut this in about a couple of days. But for you guys, it's gonna be a second. So I'll see you in a second. Alright guys, this is the soap, the honey, the oatmeal, honey and milk that we made the other day. It's been about a couple of days now, and there it is. And we're gonna cut it today. This is the loaf here. So here what it looks like. Let me show you closer. Alright, a closer look to what it looks on top. What it looks like on top. There it is. It looks really cool. There we go. Right over there. Just like a little honeycombs right there. And the oatmeal grains in there, or whatever you're going to call it. I don't know what they're called. But that's oatmeal, right? Alright guys, so let's go and cut this baby. Okay, I cut a little sliver of it because, the end. And to see what's inside, and look at that. It looks really cool. So let's go ahead and cut a real slice here. And I'm cutting it on the side here because we don't want to make, because we have those oatmeal seeds over here. Do you call them seeds? I don't know what you call them. Flakes? The oatmeal flakes? That they can make, they can drag down the wire over there and make it look really weird. Well, look at that. That looks pretty cool, huh? That looks pretty nice. What do you think, Kelsey?
Yeah, it looks great.
And what do you think about the top?
Looks cool.
Alright, so that's one slice. Let's find out what the other one's gonna look like. Ooh, we shaved a little bit too much there. Alrighty then. Let's keep going. Alright, make sure. Anyway, you guys, you can come and get this in about 4 to 6 weeks. It depends how it cures. Sometimes some of the stuff is ready in 4 weeks. Sometimes takes longer. Like one of our soaps took like 7 weeks. And then I have test strips, so I test for pH. And if they're ready, I put it right there on the market or on Etsy. So if you guys want a slice of this, you can come and see in person and smell it and touch it. And you can come and get it at the Buckley Public Market. Okay guys, and here it is. I finished cutting the soap, so that's what they look like. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching our videos. I want to thank everybody who's subscribing and watching our videos. Thank you so much. If you want to meet us in person, we have a booth at the Buckley Public Market. You can see our soap, so you can smell it, and all the other products that we have. And if you want a slice of this and you can't come to us in person, you can always go to our website or Etsy, okay, and see in our shop. Thank you so much for watching again, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye. Ciao.